Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm EJ Beauty. If you are new here, welcome. I always say to stay subscribed to my channel because I make sure to give you guys some great content. Today's video is going to be nothing less, nothing short, but exactly that. So today I want to talk about some of my favorite jewelry finds. You guys are going to love my picks. And I just feel like these are super affordable, and these are some really great staple pieces as well. I have a few in here in my little jewelry box that I want to show you guys. And then I also have some jewelry in here as well. So these are your basics everyday. Some of them you can use for like going out and vacation as well, but these are super affordable. They don't tarnish. And I think that's what I love the most about these jewelry finds. I'm gonna go ahead and start with what I have on currently. So this necklace is from Ana Luisa. I love a staple necklace piece like this, super simple, perfect if you are, you know, a minimalist or you're trying to wear like basic outfits. This is just perfect. And I would also mention that I actually wear this every day. I sleep with it. So yeah, it's just really just that girl. Like you can layer it, you can put other jewelry pieces on top, and I love that. And I got this ring as well from Ana Luisa, just super simple. And this is what it looks like. I got these rings from Amazon. So as you can see, they look pretty similar. This one's a little bit of a lighter gold, and this is more of a dark solid gold. And then I have this bracelet right here. It's like a Cartier dupe, I guess. This is from Shein. And then I have this Aura bracelet right here, which is, as you can see, from Ana Luisa. So pretty much Ana Luisa, Amazon, Shein. I mean, with Shein, it's really a hit or miss for me. I don't really wear too much jewelry from Shein. They tend to tarnish every single time when I wear Shein jewelry. The only thing that's really lasted for me is this. I've had this for 3 years and it still looks good. But as you can see, if you come closer, you'd see that these have all like kind of fallen off. So okay, so I am gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the jewelry finds that I have in this box. So this actually is from Amazon. It came in this box, and this box looks so cute. And it came with 9 pieces. Super cute. So this is what they all look like. Again, I feel like these are also the same kind of jewelry pieces that you would find on Shein. The only difference is these just don't tarnish. That's the only difference. So the first pairs I have, of course, are the Bottega dupes. This is what they look like up close. You guys, these look so good. I mean, just the color, everything is just like perfect. And I forgot to mention, these are from 𝐂𝐕𝐎𝐑𝐈𝐓𝐄. I have a few more jewelry from her brand as well, so I will talk about that later in the video. But if you look at this one compared to these, you would notice this is a bit of a lighter gold. And so some of it is a bit on the lighter end. So you have to figure out what works for you and what looks best on you. Are you the type that does prefer lighter gold? Does it look better on you? Or do you think solid dark gold is better? So it's really something you need to figure out. But personally, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous, you guys. Like, this is literally what it would look like. So I'm not really gonna try them on. So I'm just gonna kind of put it up to my ear so you can get an idea of what they would look like. Super cute. Super cute, you guys. So gorgeous, so good. So these are just some rounded ones. But I did notice this right here. I'm not really sure what that is actually. And I also don't know the material. I should probably look that up. But that's one thing I had noticed. I also really like that it comes with 2 locks. It comes with a regular gold lock, and then it comes with this rubber as well. But this is what it would look like. So just huge gold studs, pretty much. Super cute. And the biggest pro about these, which I did not mention in the beginning, is they are super lightweight. They don't weigh anything. This is like air, literally. And I prefer earrings like that because as you can see, like my earrings or my ears and my holes are pretty like sensitive. So I can't wear earrings that are really, really heavy. It just won't work out for me. So I usually avoid earrings like that on purpose. So the next one I have are these heart-shaped ones. These are so cute. Look at these. Super cute, super, super cute. So again, you know, just putting it on like this and like that, and just wearing it out. So good. I would wear this with a cute little dress and wear it out for the evening. This is so cute. And again, super lightweight. They don't weigh a lot. If you guys actually want to see me do another video where I'm trying these on, like a proper try on haul, let me know in the comment section. I really just wanted to show you guys some of these jewelry pieces, but this is it. Next up we have, I know it looks like I only picked out really huge earrings, but then again, this did come in a set, so they have different sizes. I'm just starting with the big ones first. This is what this one looks like. I love this little Riz thing going on. I feel like these would be perfect to wear on vacation, probably on the beach too. Really, really cute with your hair done, with your boho braids. Oh my goodness, boho braids, these earrings, a really cute crochet or straw bag. It's giving vacation, summer 2024. So cute, you guys. I love this. Love it. And also I have tiny ears, so don't mind my ears, okay? They're gonna look super huge next to my ear because I just have really small ears. That's just what that is. So next up we have these right here. These are like a rounded hoop, but with the little cut in the opening. I actually really like that. I'm gonna bring them a little bit closer. So this is actually what it looks like up close. So it's kind of shaped like a, almost, I'd say a C, but more so like a J. I really love earrings like this. I prefer these over hoops any day. This is, so pretty much, you can't see it, but I think you get the picture. This is what it would have looked like on me. So it'll have the little opening, the little cut right there. So yeah, but of course it'll still kind of look like a hoop in the front too. But then when you look at it from the side, you would notice that little opening that's going on right here. And we have this is kind of the same, but just a little bit bigger. So this is it up close. Again, this is just like smaller hoops that you would wear. These look cute. These look really good. Okay. Love it. So now we are actually moving on to our actual hoops. These are the hoops. I'm gonna come a little bit closer. I have these exact same ones that I got from TJ Maxx, I think it was. This is what they look like up close. So again, you would kind of just wear it just as any other regular hoop. It's a little bit brighter than my earring I currently have on, but it would look good layering it too, like this. This would look so good. And then I got the smaller version of it with the diamond in the middle. This is so cute. This is what it looks like. So again, I think I would just wear this in my other hole or my other piercing right here and just, you know, layer it again. Super nice. Okay, so these are the last ones that I have from Amazon. From the set, this is what it looks like. It's like this geometric design. So cute. I love this. Like I really, this is my favorite. Okay, so I put everything back into the little box and just put it all back. This will be perfect to give as a gift too, because it literally came like this. And I do appreciate that they put it in a box because I wouldn't have space for it otherwise. I only have this one jewelry box, so I wouldn't have space for all of these pieces. And then the last jewelry find that I have is this one. And this is probably one of my favorites. I normally would wear this kind of layering this with the necklace that I currently have on from Ana Luisa. This one is from Amazon as well. I will try to link this down below. Some of you may know, but my full name is actually Marilyn, so I got this in the letter M. And so I would just kind of just wear it with what I already have on. And that's what I wore for my vacation, and I just layered it like that, and it just looked so good and so effortless. And so that, ladies and gentlemen, brings me to the end of this video. These are some of my staple jewelry pieces. I literally always wear these. As you can see, this is what it is for me. It's always like, you know, 2 bracelets on my left arm and then a few rings. I don't usually like to do too much, and I also prefer the kind of minimalist basics aesthetic. It just looks better on me. It's really not because I prefer that. I'm a very big believer of finding what works best for you and kind of sticking with that. And that's what I did with all of this, as you can see. So that actually brings me to the end of this video. I know I've talked a lot, and if you liked what you saw in this video, make sure to give this video a like and also stay subscribed to my channel. I will make sure to put out more content out there. I kind of took a break from posting on this channel. I actually created a new one, but if you guys want to see me do anything really specific, review anything specific, or if you have any video ideas for me, let me know in the comment section down below as well. I really do appreciate all of you guys, and I love every single one of you watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.